Less than a year ago, I replaced my chain, cassette, and crankset. Just recently, I put on a new chain and it began to slip. So I wanted to find out if it was slipping over the teeth or if it was auto shifting. First thing I did was I inspected the cassette. As you can see, it isn't excessively worn, but there are signs of wear. I wanted to be able to see exactly what was happening, so I strapped a camera onto the bike and recorded some slow-mo footage. I think it's difficult to tell from these clips whether the chain is actually slipping over the teeth or if it is catching the teeth of the neighboring cog. You can see in this video how much movement there is when load is applied to the chain. It slides right up to the front of the teeth. And here's a good shot of it actually slipping over the teeth, but you can't say for sure that it didn't catch the teeth behind it. So what I did was I disassembled the cassette and I surrounded gear 6 with spacers to ensure that neither of the neighboring cogs were close enough to interfere with it. And you can see it's still slipping in gear 6 and there's no influence from the others, so it's clear that it is sliding over the teeth.